Good morning. Today I talk about the presentation. This is about the new technology and how it was over time improving certain aspects. The abacus is a first computer created in the year 500 BC. This was created to help the human being in solving arithmetic problems. Consists of a wooden square with parallel bars through which movable balls run. Also useful for teaching the simple calculations. The first was devised by the Roman philosopher Boethius, who wrote a book on geometry dedicated a chapter to the use of the abacus. He described how instead of using bits, the number could be represented with just one bit. Had the digits from 1 to 9 marked. In the year 1834 is the first digital computer was invented. It was programmed by a series of punch cards that contained the instructions in data. They already included keys, as you can see in the image. In the image, it does not say anything about the creator. In 1945, created to William Mauchly and Perspec Erket, the ENIAC is an electronic computer. It was turning complete digital and capable of being reprogrammed to solve an extensive class of numerical problems. It was initially designed to calculate arterially fire tables for the United States Army Ballistics Research Laboratory. In 1959 to 1964, it's a second generation of computer. Also use networks of magnetic cores instead of rotating drums. For primary storage. These cores contain small rings of magnetic material, linked together in which data and instructions could be stored. They were very small, so they didn't fit many things. In 1974 to 1971, the third generation emerged with the development of integrated circuits before computers were designed for math or business problems, but not the both. The computer IBM, or in English ABM, 3061 of the first commercial computers to use integrated circuits could perform both numerical analysis and file magnetic of processing. The people used the IBM computer because this computer is easy for use. In the years 1981 to 1980, they replaced, it's a fourth generation of computers. Is the replaced memories with magnetic cores with those with silicon chips. This generation of computers was characterized by great technological advances made in a very short time. In 1977, is the first microcomputers operate, among which the most famous were those manufactured by Apple Compute. In the years 1918 to 1990, it's a fifth generation of computers. The fifth generation of computers is the only forecast that has been made without interruptions in the course of this generation is the connectivity between computers, which from 1994, it's with the advent of the internet and the world and web, Google. Yes. So in 1990 is a sixth generation of computers. Okay, in this part I will comparison the old technology and new technology. It's the components, the computers. It's very easy for use of the work. It's create basically to use the working in the house for now in this situation of the world with the COVID-19. It's this instrument. It's yes, it's instrument to use for work in the house, and now the screen it's a touch. The keyboard is wireless, and the mouse it's inalambric. So in the it's very complicated to explain to you what is the difference. Oh yes, web pages and the components. It's the components store more memory, more energy. Sorry. Yes, the memory of computer is one extensive for the use of computers. So this is my presentation to a comparison old technology and new technology. It's a line of time, but the information is extensive. Yes. So thank you for watching and see you later. Bye.